Greetings, members, one and all of the Salivation Nation. We have another unboxing from the United States Mint. A lot of packages went out from orders placed some time ago. But this one is a limited edition 2021 proof set, American Eagle collection. For the very first time, they're going to have two American Eagles in this set. And this is a set I usually don't buy. And in fact, the jury is still out as to whether I will keep it or not. But we will unbox this thing and take a look at it and see exactly what is involved here with it. And I do have a phone and my knife in preparation for it. You never know what could happen. A scammer could call. And if they do, well, I will have it on the ready to answer as we unbox this. More than likely, since I made that announcement, it won't happen. But here we go. We are cutting and sizing, making a precise incision into the box in a safe and healthy manner here. There we go. That side, and then this side. And we have contents inside. Pull out this paperwork here. And there it is. Not the best packaging. There was no really other packaging material around to protect it, like there was in the Morgan silver dollars that came. But here it is. Press that aside and take a look at the packaging here. We can see a theme. There is definitely a theme. All of their packaging for 2021, since about the summer, has switched to this generic black-looking packaging, although I will say that the eagles here are pretty nicely embossed, so that is pretty neat and pretty nice there. The 2021 United States Mint limited edition silver proof set, American Eagle collection, has pretty much sold out, although I have seen and heard about offerings of it on the United States Mint's website. Now, from time to time, early in the mornings, like around 7:30, if you stay tuned or watch, you might be able to get one. But nonetheless, here we go. We're going to open it up. It's got the same kind of packaging, the black on black there, although just a little larger, obviously. As we pull the lid off, and there it is. All right. Now, before we get into the coins, let's take a look at the certificate of authenticity that describes this. And the certificate of authenticity is nice, but again, it has sort of that same type of look, although there's a little bit of more flair to this certificate of authenticity. But black and white or grayscale seems to be the color because it's a lot cheaper. They're saving money, but charging us. That savings is not passed along to you, the customer. And we can thank David J. Ryder for that, for sure. But here is the specifications of all the coins. We're not going to really peer at this too much, but as is the case with these sets, you know, one reason why I'm not a big fan of them, or hadn't been in the past, is because, well, there's nothing unique about it other than the packaging. You can get all these coins in a different in different sets, but these are all the silver coins together. And notice how the dime and the cross and the Delaware quarter are in upside down. Everything other coin is right side up, but those coins are in upside down. So let me know if your coins are off kilter in any way, shape, or form. These are exactly inverted. It's crazy. That's almost satanic, I would say. All the other coins are right side up, but those coins are upside down. I thought they had machines put these things in here. The plastic material here is, again, that cheap stuff. There's a lot of give in it when you press down, but let's take a look at each coin. We're going to start with the quarter here for the America the Beautiful coin series. This is the final quarter from Alabama, the Tuskegee Airmen quarter, and 3/9 fine silver. Now, in 2019 is when all of the coins from the United States Mint that were made of silver went from coin silver, which is 90%, to 3/9 fine silver. And part of me is actually glad they did that, because then you can really easily calculate the weight, and like with it, it does give it a little bit of a more of a frosty appearance here, and a little slightly brighter, just very slightly, very difficult to really tell. Then we have the dime. Yes, there's the 2021 dime. Nothing really special about that. Made of silver, 3/9 fine silver though. And then we'll put that back. By the way, the slots appear to be wide enough to fit these coins in, and that's good. We may actually set those up for the final shot of this video. But here is the crossing the Delaware quarter in 3/9 fine silver. Beautiful. Love the look of this quarter. And there is a return to the quarter design as it was from 1964, or from 1932 to 1998. This is a return to that design. It is a one-off. The last year of this design actually was since April until the end of the year. And then there will be a new Washington obverse. You've heard me talk about that in prior videos. But this is a beautiful and a delight to have this coin in the collection. There you go. All right. Next, we have the $50, which is, again, like the crossing the Delaware quarter. This $50 is 999 fine silver. And there it is. And the $50 since about, I believe, 2014 have gone to that slightly concave look, which is what was on the original 1964 Kennedy $50. Kind of bring out that Kennedy face there, and there it is. Beautifully done, by the way. All these coins so far look really good. No complaints from the United States Mint. They all appear to be evenly struck. I haven't taken them out of their cases to see if there's any finning, but likely there probably is. Typically always is the case from the United States Mint, but they're nicely evenly struck. Oh, now I can't get that quarter out. Again, I need to get it out. Got it. There it is. It seems to be evenly struck, which is very nice. Which means it's going to be a little bit more difficult for me to let go of this set if they are all. But this is a transition year. It's a transition, which is why another reason why I kind of like the idea of this set. From the ending of the America the Beautiful quarters to the beginning of a transition to a new series of quarters coming out in 2022. The only thing remaining constant will be the dime and the $50 here. So that's the center. That's the constant. There's a lot of symbolism here in this set. Now let's move on to the silver dollars. The American Silver Eagle. There it is. The 2021 Type 1 Silver Eagle in all of its glory. Yes, indeed. Not half of its glory, but all of its glory. There it is. When we look at the back. The Heraldic Eagle, a design that I now miss pretty greatly because I'm not a fan of the new design. Again, this is 3/9 fine silver, improved condition, and lovely. Very well struck, very nice coin, very well done. This example is immaculate in my view. Nice even strike all around, nice frosty surfaces, no spotting or anything that I can see, except for maybe some hairs and stuff on the capsule, which could come from little fibers from the mint set itself, or maybe some kitty hairs have made their way down and fallen and couldn't get up. Here we go, and here is the Type 2 Silver Eagle. There it is, again, a nice specimen. Beautifully done. We can see the differences. You'll notice that the rays are much narrower, much skinnier, the rays, compared to the Type 1. Oh, look at this. We got a scammer. Let's take it. Hello?
Dear customer, thank you for your purchase from Amazon Shopping. This call is to inform you that your purchase for Apple MacBook Pro and Apple AirPods will be delivered by tomorrow evening and 1,000.
Thank you for calling Amazon. How can I help you?
Yes, sir. I had a message saying that I purchased an iMac Pro, but I didn't make that purchase. Can you help me with that, sir?
Sure, may I have a name, please?
My name is Adolf Weinman. I have the Type 2 Silver Eagle here that I designed. And I need to get my iMac off the list there. Shoot, yeah, he hung up. He hung up. Well, I knew that wasn't going to last long. So let's take a look at the back of this. Here we go. We're almost to the end here. There it is. There is the back. The reverse of the new Silver Eagle. And very brilliantly struck. Very, very nice. And as you can see, there's a mint mark there for the San Francisco Mint. And for the Type 1, you will see the mint mark is the W for the West Point Mint. So there you go. That is the one difference there. And so the S Mint Proof Silver Eagle here, I believe I think still selling for a premium. I'm not sure. But very nicely done. So I'm going to now take these coins and place them in such a way that we can view this all together and nice like, okay? Very, very nicely done here. Let's take a look at these coins. Put them all out and display them here so you can see them in all of their glory. Not all of their glory, but most of their glory. Here we go. All right, let's take a look at this here. There's the set. Beautifully done. Very, very nice. Let's zoom this out so you can see it there. Let me get down here to where, perhaps, we can get an even better view of this set. There we go. All together. There it is. All together there. So, post in the comments section below what your thoughts are on this set. Should I sell it? Or should I keep it? Let me know in the comments section. I'll be very curious to see what you guys think. I'm sort of leaning towards keeping it. I am a collector. I don't know. It's crazy, crazy, crazy. Now, there you have it. I'd like to extend a multitude of gratitude to you all for taking the time to watch this video, and to encourage you to please rate, share, comment, and subscribe. Let's put that, here we go. All right, there they all are.